How to substitute meat for raw food recipes. The benefits of raw foods are well known, as they are not only the greatest sources of vitamins and minerals, they also contain living enzymes that the body needs to function properly. If you are trying to add more raw food into your diet, there are a variety of ways that you can alter your recipes and substitute meat. Instructions, Step 1. Learn to sprout various beans, legumes, grains and seeds so that you can substitute meat in your favorite recipes with a high-protein and nutrient-packed food. Sprouts are easy to grow, require very little equipment and are a very inexpensive way to boost your daily nutrition. Step 2. Use untoasted wheat germ in just about any recipe to add many of the same nutrients as found in meat, such as protein, B vitamins and iron. Wheat germ is easy to digest, has a lightly sweet and nutty flavor and provides a nice texture in raw soups, on salads or even blended into raw dips. Step 3. Go with mushrooms instead of meat. Marinate sliced mushrooms as you would meat, leaving them to soak overnight in oils, sauces and spices and then mix them into your raw food recipes in place of meat. You can even chop mushrooms or place them in a food processor in place of hamburger or other ground meats. Step 4. Experiment with various nuts, raw sauces, oils and spices in your food processor to create a nutty meat substitute. For example, mixing wheat germ, raw Brazil nuts, chili powder, raw soy sauce and your choice of other spices makes a great raw meat loaf. Processing macadamia nuts with curry powder and olive oil gets you something of a chicken substitute.